Got a Fortnite gift card that's frustratingly refusing to give you those bucks? Don't worry, we'll get this sorted out so you can get back to the battle. First things first, let's make sure the card was actually activated at the point of purchase if you bought it in a physical store. Double-check your receipt to confirm activation. Sometimes, a simple scanning error at the register can prevent it from being active, and the cashier might need to rerun it if you received it digitally. Review the email or message it came in for any specific activation instructions. Next, it's crucial to verify the gift card code itself. Type it in very carefully, paying close attention to any similar-looking characters like the number 1 and the letter L, or the letter A and the number 0. Case sensitivity usually isn't an issue, but precision is key. Try re-entering the code slowly and deliberately, ensuring every character matches what's on the card. If you're still encountering an error, the issue might be with the platform you're trying to redeem it on. Remember, Fortnite gift cards are specific to the platform they are intended for. For example, a PlayStation gift card won't work for Xbox, and vice versa. Make absolutely sure you're attempting to redeem it on the correct console or PC platform where you play Fortnite. Still no luck? It's time to contact Epic Games Support. Visit the official Epic Games website and navigate to their support section. You'll likely find options to submit a support ticket or chat with a representative. Have your gift card code, the receipt of purchase, if applicable, and a clear description of the error you're receiving ready. When you contact support, be polite and provide as much detail as possible. They can often check the card's redemption history and identify if there's a problem on their end. With a little persistence and these troubleshooting steps, you'll be well on your way to unlocking those bucks and enjoying your Fortnite experience.